So in today's Lego Time video, in honor of Halloween, I will be making some custom minifigures that have to do with Halloween. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make a kid dressed as Jay, the ninja from Ninjago, for Halloween. So yeah, let me show you what you're gonna need. So the first thing you're gonna need is the legs. And these are the legs from the farmer girl from the Series 22 blind bag minifigures. And you can use any Jay body, but I found this one the most iconic from the Lego Ninjago movie. And you don't really need to change a single thing about it. And you can put accessories on any of these minifigures that I'm gonna show you throughout my videos. But for mine, I specifically am just showing you how to make the minifigure. All right, and then you're gonna get a boy head or a girl head, it can be either. And just attach that and get this hair, because I found this hair just like a kid, more of a kid kind of hair, but you can use any hair. So this looks pretty good, so you could leave it like that. Or, but I found this has an awesome detail. You can get Jay's movie mask and put that on a black head like that, and then make him hold it so he's like, you can see his face. Or if what you want to do is, if you want to put the mask actually on him, it's really simple. All you have to do is take out the black head, put the mask on, and then put the hood on. And then you just attach it like so, and then it'll look like that. This might even be actually better. And if you want to just display his hair somewhere else, you can just let him carry his hair. I know that probably sounds a little funky, but. So there is my custom kid dressed as Jay for Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys.